Hey guys, Bob here. Today I want to show you how to replace the speedometer cable in Kawasaki KMX or any other motorcycle with a cable speedometer. Let's get to it. Step 1. Parts and tools list. For today's repair, we are gonna need a screwdriver, pliers, and the new cable. Step 2. Undoing the mask. You're just gonna take a screwdriver and undo those 3 bolts. Make sure you don't lose them because it'll pain in the ass if you do. First one, second one, and third one. Be careful, you are not gonna be able to remove the whole mask because it will be still sitting on the brake cable. But you don't really need to remove the whole mask. Now you can take the mask and just pull it off and let it rest like this. Now you can see the cluster of the gauges, and the speedometer cable is here, somewhere in here, somewhere here. And this is what we are gonna be replacing today. Now step 3 is removing the old cable. So you're gonna take your Allen key and undo this bolt. So you detach the cable from here, then you unscrew this part. You might need pliers for this. The hardest part is removing it from here. But you will need some with fingers to unscrew here, but it is not impossible. Then you gotta take your pliers and make sure you cut only the supply to the cable. Plug this here, again, and you can just push it and root that. Yes, like this. Step 4, putting in the new cable and securing it in place. So, first thing you're gonna do is somehow pull off this whole thing from the old cable and put it on the new one. But you can do it later. So like this, put it here, screw it in, and now take the new cable and just kind of try going the same way you been in there. Go like this. You just kind of reattach it here. Now you take this part, the one we removed earlier, on. You're gonna twist this and through. Now, step 5, I think, is fixing the mask back on. You just do this. Okay. Take your screws you took them out earlier. Take your screwdriver. Then you just screw the mask back on. And yeah, hopefully this helped. And if you like this video, would you please like and subscribe, and peace.